Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection. I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then let's enter the Play Store. Let's find it. And another disclaimer, you have to be logged in to be able to actually follow all of my steps. I highly recommend to check our tutorial of how to add the Google account to the device, so you will be able to use all of the features provided by Google. So let's tap on the circle, which is your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Then let's tap on Manage, and as you can see here, we've got the list of all installed apps, and we have to simply tap on Updates Available to check which one we can update. In my case, I've got only 4. Of course, we can mark all of them and update all. If not, you can just choose specific apps. So let me choose maybe OneDrive and link to Windows. After marking the apps, simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, your device is right now downloading the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So you do not really have to do anything more, just wait patiently. You do not have to wait. Right here you can just turn it off and do whatever you want, because everything will happen in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.